Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to be going over IDs and navigation using linking. Alright, so right here we just have a cook training refresher procedure here. Just pretty much training you how to be a cook again for all those chefs out there. And then towards the end here, after you get through all these items, it says let's test a little of your knowledge. And lets you say okay and takes you right into the test. So what we're going to do is on this item right here, we're going to have, instead of just an OK button, we're going to say, are you ready for a test of your knowledge with a yes or no? And if it says no, it'll take you up here, back to the start again, so you can start over and learn all you need before you take the test. So we're just going to, I have this activity pretty much pre-built already. So let's see here. We're just going to be going over the concept today. So right here you have this whole learning list right here, learning section, sorry, and all the items are right here. And so here's the item right here. It even has an ID already with the ID of test, so it's just saying okay, we'll go to test. To make this have a link instead, we're going to want a yes or no item instead and say, let's change it to, are you ready for a test of your knowledge? And we're going to go down here to yes or no options, and want to make sure it says advanced on select, so when you say yes or no it'll take you to a certain place. And then to the link section. So here we go, we want to link on select, and these are the options right here pretty much. So if you say yes, there's the ID you want to link to, no, here's the ID you want to link to, or if you want NA, and then here's the list of actions you can have here too. So we're going to give the learning section a ID, so you can go back to it when you say no. So we're just going to say learning for this ID, and let's go ahead and go to the testing section and give that an ID too, and just say testing. And so let's go back to this item right here. And so are you ready for a test of your knowledge? If you say yes, we want to link to, I remember to put the hashtag, we want to link to learn, actually no, sorry, testing, because you're ready to take the test. And if you say no, I'm not ready, it'll take you back to learning again. And let's see here, for the link action, we're going to want go to and reset items in range. So what that'll do, that won't just go to this item, it'll reset all these items, so you have to check them off again while you're learning them again. So let's go ahead and save this and go ahead to home section and see what it looks like. Let's go to cook training refresher, start a new one, check these off. And are you ready for a test of your knowledge? Let's just say no. It takes you right back to the beginning again, go through all this again, and if you say yes instead, take you right to the testing section. So there you have it, pretty much the basics of navigation and linking.